We get a lot of questions as to what setting. All these spreaders are different. It's hard to know the exact right amount. In this case, they're not all like this, but this has settings from 2 to 15. Since I just got this spreader, I'm not exactly sure what the proper spreading is, but if I was more patient and wanted to take some time, I'd measure off a little area, know how many square feet it is, weigh some of this product, figure out exactly how much I want to use in a certain area, and then with math, figure out what that setting should be. But I'm not that patient and I don't have that much time. I'm going to do a heavy application, which is about 10 pounds per thousand of Nourish-Biosol. I'm going to use a spreader because this is about 10,000 square feet. You see me throw things around, but it's a lot to throw around on this. I'm used to spreading Nourish-Biosol, and it's usually towards the lower end of the settings. So I'm thinking I'm going to have it about a third open. So I'm going to put it on setting number 4. And then I'm going to pay attention as I do the first load and see how it seems to be working and spreading. And I can always go down a little or up a little. Feels like maybe we're not, we don't have enough of an opening. I'm going to open it just a little more. By the time we finish this, I'll probably be able to tell you what the right setting is. So you can see it's not real scientific if you're not used to using your spreader. Once you get used to it, you know the setting. Now I'd say I'm about half. Yeah, I think this bag is going to do the whole thing, which is 50 pounds over 10,000 square feet. But I want double that. I want 100 pounds over 10,000 square feet. So I think what I'll do is I'll just finish this at this setting, and then I might step it up just a little and put another bag in and go the other direction. Okay, I'm gonna go to 6, and I'm gonna go the other direction. And I think that should work. We'll see. Here's what I had left of about 50 pounds. So even that, if I wanted to just go one pass, is way too small. So if I were to guess, I'd say if we wanted to go just one pass, we'd go about number 8. But if I were to start over and just want to make one pass, I'd probably go about 8, based on what I know now, because I've been through it twice and I see what I have left. I'm going to increase it a little and get rid of the rest. If I had a broom, I'd sweep this, but I don't have a broom, but their gardener is coming soon. But it doesn't stain, and none of our products stain. Even the products with iron, which are known to stain, have a non-staining iron. So nothing will stain if you leave it on the concrete and come back a day or two later and sweep it or blow it off.